Snowview tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Snowview. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Snowview, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Snowview, it is a comprehensive email outreach platform that offers a range of features to help users find, verify, and return leads, in which the email finder tool allows users to collect email addresses from any website, while the email verifier ensures that the collected emails are valid and deliverable. And also, it provides an email drip campaigns features, which enables users to create automated email sequences to nurture leads. And the platform's drag-and-drop editor makes it easy to build complex email sequences with options to personalize messages, set triggers, and schedule campaigns. And now to start using this platform, you can simply click the sign up button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, you will be able to be directed on this page right here. And from here, to start creating an account, you could also sign up using your Google or by filling out all of the required information in here. Click the create account button to proceed. And after signing in, you will also be directed on this page, in which on this pop-up window, all you need to do is to simply fill out, including your company name, your industry, business type, company size, and other required information in here, such as your occupation. And also, you are required to answer the question, what is your primary goal of using Snow.io? And now, after filling out or answering all of this question in here, just proceed by clicking the Get Started button below here. And after that, you will now be able to be directed on this page, in which this is basically what the dashboard or homepage of Snow.io, in which on the left side panel, it will show you some of the options including all campaigns, new campaign, templates, schedule, and many more. While on the top panel, you could also navigate some other options, including these leads, finder, verifier, deliverability, campaigns, CRM integrations, and extensions. And now let's proceed under this leads option right here by clicking on it. This feature allows users to easily find and collect high-quality leads from various sources such as websites, LinkedIn, and search engines. And also, as you can see on the left side panel, you could also navigate prospects and companies. And under prospects, if you also want to start creating a new list, just simply click this icon right here that says Create New List. By clicking on it, it will show you in this pop-up window that all you need to do is to simply enter the list name and click Create button. And after that, from here, you can now start adding your prospects in here, which once the leads are collected, the leads section in Snowview provides a centralized hub for users to manage and qualify their prospects. And aside from prospects, you can also navigate here the companies, which from here you could also start creating a list for your companies and start finding a company's name in here and other details. Now moving on, we could also navigate here the finder option, in which it serves several purposes to help users effectively generate and manage leads. And it helps users to automatically extract email addresses from any website, making it simple to build targeted prospect lists. And also from here under prospects, you could also customize the filters if you want to, such as the job titles, location, company location, revenue, specialties, industry, skills, and many more, if you're looking for a specific kind of companies or prospects. While on the left side panel, by clicking email search, from here you could also search for a specific email that you prefer by simply entering their first name, last name, and company domain name. And you could also navigate here on the left side panel this domain search, bulk search, domain, and many more. Now moving on under verify option right here on the top panel, in which this feature helps user to ensure the quality and deliverability of their email list, in which the email verifier tool allows users to check the validity and safety of individual emails or bulk lists, ensuring that the emails are active and not likely to bounce or be flagged as spam. So from here, you could also start adding a file or uploading a file in here if you want to start verifying a specific email or files. But you must have an upgrade account in order to use this feature. Now moving on under deliverability, in which this tool allows users to test how well their emails will be delivered to leads, inboxes, and identify various issues that affect their sender reputation. And this comprehensive analysis helps users to understand the technical condition and trustworthiness of their email domain, including DNS settings and email content to improve their overall deliverability. Now moving on to campaigns option, in which this option serves as a central hub for managing and executing automated email outreach campaigns. This feature allows users to create, launch, and monitor the performance of their email drip campaigns in a streamlined manner. And now to start creating a new campaign, just click on the left side panel, New Campaign, and click this Build My First Campaign button right here. And after that, on this pop-up window, you can start creating use a template or also create from scratch. But in those options, I'm going to choose to use a template by simply clicking on it. The next thing that we need to do from here is to simply select a template that is offered for free on this platform. We have here template, simple B2B sales funnel, recruiting 10, invitation to an interview, or many more. Now in all of those given template in here, I'm going to select this one, which is simple B2B sales funnel, and click select template button to proceed. And now the next thing that we need to do from here under sequence is to simply create or drag and drop other kind of elements on our email. So basically from here all we need to do is to simply complete the sequence or flow of our email, in which we can navigate some of the tools on the right side panel, including the elements of email, LinkedIn, trigger, delay, and many more. So basically incorporating various elements such as personalized emails, LinkedIn actions, trigger, and delays, in which this drag and drop interface make it easy for users to design targeted, multi-touch campaigns that nurture leads and drive engagement. And after that, after creating your sequence, just proceed by clicking the next button below here to proceed. In which the next thing that we need to do under prospects is basically from here fill out all of the required information, including the list name, or by simply selecting here the list that we just created earlier that will be sent or will serve as a receiver in our campaigns. And after that, just click the next button below here to proceed. And upon clicking on it, we'll now be able to be directed on the next step, which is the sending options. And from here, we are required to select or choose an email account that will serve as a sender. We could also track here and schedule a specific time for the campaigns to send. You could also select the campaign duration and toggle on some of this option in here. And aside from that, below here, you could also navigate the advanced settings to change or customize the campaign priority, such as to make it high, medium, or low. But you must have an upgrade account in order to use this feature. And if you're now done customizing this process, just proceed by clicking the next button below here to proceed. And now under review, all we need to do is simply review all of the details that we just input before sending or launching these email campaigns. On the right side panel, we could also input the campaign name and also other details in here. So basically, once the campaign is set up, users can launch it and track its performance in real time, and the campaigns list display detailed statistics on opens, clicks, replies, unsubscribes, and email deliverability, enabling users to optimize their outreach strategies based on data-driven insights. And also on the left side panel from here, you could also navigate the schedules, notifications, email accounts, and LinkedIn accounts. Now moving on under the CRM options right here on the top panel, this option serves as comprehensive customer relationship management tool that helps users streamline their sales process and improve conversions, in which it allows users to create custom pipelines that reflect their sales process, manage and prioritize deals, and share data-driven with their team to work together on closing more deals. Now moving on under integrations by simply clicking on it. From here, you can simply install other applications or integrate with our application in Snowview, such as HubSpot, Pipedrive, Zapier, Make, Hyperice, and many more, enabling seamless data synchronization and workflow automation. And now if you also want to upgrade your account or plan, just click this upgrade plan button on the left side panel below. By clicking on it, we'll be able to see all of the plans that offer on this Snowview. We have here Trial, Starter, and Pro plan, in which it will show you below here some of the corresponding prices and list of benefits it included on each plan. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Snowview. Thank you.